How to install extension in Playnite. So hey guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to install extensions in Playnite. So in the Playnite app right here, all we need to just open up our Playnite app. So to add an extension right here, just click on the top left corner right here. You will see there. And after clicking on that here, you will see third-party clients, and below it is extension. Press on extension right here. Here you will see reload scripts or interact SDK PowerShell. So once we click on reload scripts right here, it will reload some scripts that we have already added, and interact SDK PowerShell right there. As you can see, once we click on SDK PowerShell right here, and this will now pop. So here right now we can put in input or add in the extension of what we want here in our Windows PowerShell right there. As you can see right now, use Control V and enter to paste command to initiate basic SDK variable. There you go. And if you want to learn more, as you can see right now, it's giving us link right here, https playnet.master tutorial. So here on this part right here will give us a few of the basics information that we need. So here, once we are here, we can now activate this. Once we activate this, we can now input the extension that we want. So yeah, there you go guys. And as you can see right there you go. So here we can reload the scripts, and then there. So that's how you do it, guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any questions or concerns, you can always type it down comment section below, guys, and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible on here. How to rock it, guys. And before I go, guys, a quick tip for you guys. If you want to know your extension much more well, or download, I suggest downloading it from an official site. Yeah, I suggest downloading this official site for any of kind of extensions. So yeah, there you guys. There you go. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have a question, concerns, type it down comment below, guys. And because why I want to download it into official site, so you won't get banned or worse virus there. And there you guys. If you have any question, concerns, type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible here. How to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.